Hello, young creators. Welcome to our Scratch tutorial. Today, we're going to explore the world of control blocks. Think of yourself as the director of a play, instructing actors on their cues to enter, speak, and exit. In Scratch, control blocks serve as your director's hat, guiding your sprites on when to begin, halt, loop, or make choices. These blocks act as the traffic signals within your Scratch projects, orchestrating the sequence of your scripts. Control blocks are fascinating components for crafting computer programs. They are the tools that enable you to issue commands to a computer. As you master these tools, you'll grasp the fundamental elements of computer programming. It's akin to learning how to construct with Lego bricks. Once you're familiar with the components, you can build incredible creations. When green flag clicked. Let's start with the most basic control block, when green flag clicked. The when green flag clicked block is a basic yet essential control block in Scratch programming. In the newer Scratch 3.0 versions, it is located within the events category. This block serves as the starting point for your script. Clicking the green flag activates the code contained within this block. It's important to note that every Scratch script requires at least one when green flag clicked block to begin the sequence of actions. Forever. Next up, we have the forever block. This block creates an endless loop. Whatever you put inside this block will keep repeating forever and ever. Repeat. Sometimes, you want to repeat a certain action a specific number of times. That's where the repeat block comes in. You can set the number of repetitions, and the blocks inside will run that many times. If, then. If, then, else. Now, let's talk about making decisions in your scripts. These if, then blocks help you do that. You can set a condition, and if that condition is true, the blocks inside the if, then block will run. If the condition is false, the blocks will be skipped. Or the block inside the else section will run. Wait. Sometimes, you want to pause your script for a certain amount of time. That's where the wait block comes in handy. You can set the number of seconds to wait. By combining these control blocks with other types of blocks, you can create all sorts of amazing projects. Now that you've grasped the basics of control blocks, it's time to unleash your creativity. Experiment with combining various blocks to create exciting projects. Eager to dive deeper? Enroll in our digital storytelling course. You'll learn advanced Scratch skills and improve your English while you're at it. Enjoy your coding journey.